Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a little haul, makeup haul and product skincare haul. Suddenly you don't have shampoo, body lotion, face mist, like yeah, so I had to do a little bit stock up on things, and I thought I will just go through a little bit of my basic stuff that I normally buy, and if it's interesting for you, keep on watching. Now I'll start with the basic of the basic that I always buy is the Bioderma Ultra Soothing Balm for dry skin, for atopic skin, for sensitive skin. I buy it all the time. This is basically what I use all year round, except maybe summer, because in summer I just experiment with other, you know, scents and everything, textures, but basically this is my all year rounder and for the whole family, because it protects your skin barrier and is just perfect. And if you have small kids, it's also very good for them. I forgot to take it from the bathroom. I also got the shower oil Bioderma, which has the same properties for sensitive and dry skin, non-allergic and so on. But I guess I'm gonna post here what I buy all the time and I use for years and years already. Now on the constant Avene thermal face water, I actually like, I use in so many ways. My toner, after I wash my face, I spray my beauty blender when I do makeup. I spray it like in between skincare layers thing. Batiste original dry shampoo, always a must, very easy, affordable, and yeah, I use it every day, so I need something handy, something that I can just like repurchase and repurchase again, and it won't break the bank. Now, a new shampoo that I still haven't used. I used to buy L'Oreal Professional with a biotin and vitamin B6. I decided to go this time for protein plus gold quinoa ingredient. It's a professional shampoo, instant resurfacing for dry and damaged hair. I dye my hair, and I had a break though last year, but I started to do some little highlights again, and yeah, and we'll need a repair shampoo. I haven't tried yet, but I hope it's good, because in general I like everything basically that L'Oreal Professional has. So yeah, yeah, this is from Serie expert. Let's say it's a younger sister of Kerastas. I don't know what's called younger sister. I mean, younger sister, what is like less? I don't know. I'm the younger sister. I don't think like this about myself, but you know what I mean. Now, yeah, it's like almost the same, but more affordable. Okay, more exciting. The skincare. Unfortunately, everything that I have from my like skincare, I haven't tried. I'm just gonna tell you what I got, and I'm so curious and excited to try. Very famous product. It's by Cosrx, advancedSnail Mucin Essence. I know it's very popular. Everybody kind of used it, like tried it, talked about it. It's one of those, like, it's one of their best sold. It's difficult to open. I just wanted to check the mist. Best sold products. Just gonna rip it open. And yeah, I'm very excited to try it, because I know that it's supposed to be like the bottle is very pretty. It's essence, so basically you apply it after your, so basically it goes like very, it's something in between serum and toner. I cannot wait to put it on my face because I think it's gonna just plump your skin so much. What I do with this kind of hydrating essence, I apply several layers. I apply, I let it dry a little bit, then I'll apply again. I mean, especially for the dry skin, it'll be fantastic. I already like it. I know, my hand likes it. So, yeah, I love Essence. I really think it works. For me, Essence is an important step in my skincare. I find that my skin looks so plump when I use essences. It's like, yeah, I love Essence. I always use Essence. And another product from Cosrx is Blackhead Power Liquid. Haven't tried it yet. It has BHA, glycolic acid, helps to remove blackheads and to control excess sebum while moisturizing the skin. I mean, we all have breakouts at some point, and I like to have products like this in my skincare regime. So yeah, it's a new product I have never tried. I'm glad I have it because whenever I feel like my skin needs it, I can just pop it, like apply it on my face. And yeah, it's liquid, and let's see how liquid it is. Oh, it's more liquid than the essence. Almost the same, a tiny bit more liquid. Like, yeah. So I guess you apply it as of your serum. Literally smells almost of nothing. Like, very good. No irritation in this respect. I think it has no perfume or anything added. Cosrx is the Korean brand, very famous, with a very good reputation, and in general, it's like, yeah. Though these two products from Cosrx, haven't tried. Another one I haven't tried is by Clair's freshly juiced vitamin drop vitamin C. So I have to read. Oh, it looks like this. It looks like this. It's still, I haven't used it yet because I'm still finishing my vitamin C by Guerlain, well, the Vida Perfect, which is like kind of your vitamin C serum as well. This has vitamin C, Centella asiatica extracts, and what else? Yuzu extracts and grapefruit extracts. Nice, really nice. And I like it because, well, I like it. I like the sound of it. So vitamin C percentage of the, like, how much percentage of the serum you of the vitamin C you have. Yes, I like to know, but sometimes it really doesn't matter, because if the serum formulated in such a good way and have other ingredients in it, and it works for your skin, what else you need? Like, I'm very excited. And I also heard of a lot of good things about this Clair's vitamin C drops, and I think if you have a sensitive skin, it's good for you because it has Centella asiatica, which is soothing and calming and just barrier protecting. So yeah, perfection. Well, I think like this, it just sounds so good to me. Now, more exciting news. I have two makeup products. It's almost like makeup skin products. In general, I don't buy, I don't remember the last time I bought actual foundation. I always look for some hybrid, like skincare foundation thing, and in general, I don't put foundation. I put something that has SPF as well and moisturizing properties. Now, I bought this Max Factor Miracle Pure Skin Improving Foundation. It's called foundation, that has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and SPF 30. I applied right today on my face as of my skincare, basically. I applied the serum, and on top I applied this kind of a skincare, moisturizing, and foundation. Well, it gives you color, but it's very skin-like. I have a light ivory. Of course, if you buy a darker shade, it will look more makeup-y. But for me, I apply it as of a cream. You have to shake it first, and has this kind of snoozing thing. It looks very skincare like. And yeah, and it's not as liquid as the cream can be, like, but it's also, I mean, it really can go as if a cream. Look, it's a very light color. For me, for winter, is perfect. And 30 SPF, it's just gonna be my whole year kind of like winter SPF moisturizing cream. And as a matter of fact, it has also hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. I think if you just want to take one product and go for a like weekend, you take this. It will substitute your serum, your moisturizer, your SPF, and your foundation. Like 4 products in one. You literally, if you don't have time, you're a busy mom and you're sometimes, I don't know, like didn't hear your alarm clock and you have to get ready yourself and the kids in like 15 minutes, this is your friend. You just wash your face, put this one product, and off you go. Perfect. Yeah, I like it a lot and I use it a lot these days. Another one is by Lancome. Their Skin Feels Good. Hydrating Skin Tint Healthy Glow. It has SPF 23. It also has, cannot see, some other good things here. It has extract of moringa and hyaluronic acid and glycerin. So basically it's your moisturizing cream as well. I got it in a little bit darker shade. It looks as if it's very dark, but let me tell you, I actually tried it in the shop. That's why I bought this color. Now it's in a fresh almond, and to me it's also my sort of moisturizing cream and tint and SPF at once. I like it so much. Yes, it's a little bit darker, but I actually like to have my face. I don't use self-tan for the face, so sometimes I like to look more tan. It has, I'm gonna apply it here, and it's really good packaging. Now, as if it's dark, but it's very liquidy. Like it glides on your on your skin. It just makes your complexion so smooth, and it's less. I found this a little bit has little stickiness to it when you apply it. This one has more velvety feel, yet very moisturizing. And look, come on, like when you apply it on your face, it will give you this little sun-kissed complexion, but by no means like very dark. Look, my hand is pale. You see the difference? But how pretty it is. This is with no makeup, this is with this Almond Fresh. And my face will be like this. Get this one, it also covers you like 23 SPF, for winter is enough, hyaluronic acid, like it has skin properties. For me, it's my moisturizing cream as well. I apply serum and then I apply this, and that's that. Fantastic. I got this Guerlain powder foundation. Okay, 50% of my purchase was because I wanted this packaging so much for my makeup bag. Now, look at this prettiness. I really appreciate a packaging like we all do. And I realized that I don't have a powder with a spectacular packaging situation, and the months of September, October is I have a lot of events at this time. Birthdays, like just we are catching up, like we are kind of catching up with the Barcelona life after a month away in August. So we go out, we go for a drink, we go for lunches and everything. And so I wanted to have something that pretty in my purse just to take out and, you know, just... So, this is the powder foundation, matte, but it has no talc. So basically it's very good also for mature skin. This powder, even though it's matte, but it has, because it has no talc, it has more friendly kind of coverage that doesn't make chalky, and it's long lasting and absolutely adore it. I use it as of my kind of a fixing makeup powder, but you can use it as your foundation because it has a very good coverage. I don't use it around my face as a foundation, but you can. Because I have a lighter shade, my face will be a little bit too maybe light. But like in Chanel, I have also powder foundation and it's in a darker shade, and for me I use it on the whole face. But this one, I basically bought it just to have it in my cosmetic bag. Loving it. It's in Clair Rose Light Cool number 2, brightening, like brightening effect. I got another powder I wanted to try. This is a new brand, I think. It's called Wibo or something like this. It's a Polish brand and I found it in our drugstore shop. And I was very curious because it's Aqua Mist with marine collagen in here. So it's actually, I also had it today on my face. It has such a nice texture. It's like this. It's a bit ivory, kind of like a milky color. It's not plain white and it's not banana kind of powder, which is more yellow. It's like a creamy vanilla. I'm loving it, and for the price it has, I mean, it's a drugstore, I don't know, I think it was less than 10 euros. Amazing. It's a new brand, I know nothing about it, so I got the powder and nail polish. I found this brown nail polish. I was looking for something like this for a long time because it's very hard to find a really nice brown polish that has not too chocolatey and black almost and not too orangey. I haven't used it yet, but yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, it's also the same brand, Wibo. Incredible gel in color. Oh. Well, it's number 15. I don't know. If I read the color later, I will write down below the video. And the last product I got is MAC. Yeah, I wanted to get again this Shape and Shade Brow Tint by MAC. I used to have it before. I like it. It's in color Taupe. There is nothing like this taupe color for me. I don't use it's literally very, very transparent. But it's exactly that. It's good for my brows. And I got it again. I could find in any drugstore anything like this. Loving it. I don't use the powder end, but this one is my go-to of like always. And that's that. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.